Hello everyone, I am Siddant Sherve and today I will explain the male reproductive system. The male reproductive system consists of a pair of testes, sperm duct or vas deferens and a penis. Testes. They are two in numbers and oval in shape. They lie within the scrotum of abdominal cavity. Testes produce male gametes called sperms. Within the testes colloid masses of tubes called seminiferous tubules. These tubules are responsible for producing sperm cells through a process called spermatogenesis. Testes are called primary sex organs. Testes produce sperms in millions. Sperms are very small in size. Each has a head, consists of nucleus and a chromosome. Testes produce sperms in millions, though sperms are very small in size. Each has a head which consists of nucleus and a chromosome, a middle pitch which carries numerous mitochondria which provides energy and strength for the movement of sperm, a tail which help in the movement of sperm in the fallopian tube during the fertilization process. Each sperm is a single cell with all the usual cell components. Sperm ducts or vas deferens. A sperm duct, one from each of the testes, carries sperms to the urethra, which lies inside the penis. As sperms move through ducts, fluids from three glands, prostate gland, seminal vesicles, and bulbotherical gland, pour their secretions into these ducts. The mixture of these fluids and sperms called semen. At the last, penis. It is a very muscular and highly vascularized tissue. It delivers the sperms to the vagina of the female.